Before the movie was done, I got thick skin, because I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting, right? But cowgirls don't cry.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Cheyenne. I am a stay-at-home mom of 4 children, and we currently live in eastern New Mexico. We did just buy this house in March of last year, so we haven't been in this house a year yet. And I wanted to say Happy New Year to you all. This is my first video of the new year, I believe. Maybe it's my second. I'm a little lost, but that's okay. Anyways, I am going to let the music play for a little while, and I hope you enjoy all the cleaning motivation as well as all the music.
Get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting. Ooh, but cowgirls don't cry. Cowgirls don't cry. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurt.
I don't know how other people's homes can be so clean all the time. Like, I watch some of these other ladies, you know, and their cleaning videos, and it just seems like everything's so white and bright and clean. And it's like, why does my house look like a hurricane ran through it every day? I cannot stand it. I don't know if it's because of dogs and kids or I'm just not doing enough, but I clean all the time. Like, every day I clean about 2-3 times a day. I think the issue is keeping it that way, like having it stay picked up. But this is what my house looks like every day. So it's just kind of annoying. It's getting on my nerves, but I guess I can't really compare myself to other YouTube channels or YouTubers, which is fine. This is a realistic home, you guys. I've been wanting to say that for a while, and I keep forgetting to say that in my videos. This is what real life looks like. This is a real home with a family of 6. This is dirty, you know, like the floors aren't perfect. We have sodas chilling next to the pantry, like drinks on the counter, everything, like dishes in the sink. Takes me forever to clean, takes me all day. I do not like to cook in a dirty kitchen, so the dishes are always the first thing I tackle, which is why I'm always starting in my kitchen when I'm filming my videos. It's pretty rare where I don't. Except for apparently this when I started my daughter's room. It was something I super needed to tackle. Even worse than my kitchen. It was just driving me insane. So I like to keep a clean home, but I guess in order to do that, you really have to stay on top of things all day long. And sometimes I look at other people's videos and I'm like, girl, you're doing too much. you need to sit down, take a break, rest, relax. And I do those things. And maybe that's why my house stays a mess. And on top of that, I don't feel like we all are pitching in as much as we should and picking up around ourselves, you know, every day. I feel like it's all dependent on me and maybe my sons or whatever. They help quite a bit, actually. So, but they have regular chores. That's just a regular routine. It doesn't keep the house clean, you know? Like, I don't know. Anyways, I enjoyed waking up this morning to not having to do the dishes and not having to go crazy like, oh my gosh, there's so much I have to do today. So yeah, I just wanted to share that little tidbit. Sorry for rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and let the music keep playing.
Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. No, I missed you, babe. Forgive and everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. I got so much to say. Never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs. Never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe. You got so much to say, but you're crying like yesterday. Trying to read your eyes while we're kissing. Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much 'cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. 'Cause
So this is another area of my house that I needed to kind of tackle. There's just crap everywhere, not gonna lie. Socks get lost behind the dryer and behind the washer. I didn't really get back there this time. I didn't have enough time to. There wasn't any socks behind anything, but there was some in front. And I just needed to wipe down my washer and dryer because it's super dusty. We get a lot of dust in this house. Living in New Mexico, I'm sure it's like that everywhere else, but I mean, literally I'll wake up and there'll be a layer of dust. Usually it's right after I dust. There'll be a layer of dust an hour later on everything. So, but at some point in the next couple of months, you know, spring clean time, I'm probably gonna pull everything out and clean behind there. I do that at least once or twice a year if I can. But then everything on the shelves just really needed to get organized. There was a lot of crap piled in here just to get out of the way, so I'm gonna tackle that.
Or just the best you've ever had. 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 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit manic, like the ancestor. Or just the best you've ever had. Wait a second. I guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her.
I did do a speed clean in the bathroom. I've been trying to keep up and do better in the bathroom, but now I'm moving on to my bedroom and you can see it's just a disaster. I don't understand what happens. It's like I clean it one day and by nighttime it's just a mess. Laundry on the floor doesn't help, and you know, diapers everywhere doesn't help, cups everywhere doesn't help, but it's like a process for me to clean it. It is part of my daily routine to try to pick up on a daily basis in my room and in the bathroom. It's one of those things where you really have to do it every day. You have to make it a priority and a habit so that you have less to do at night, or you know, the rest of the week, and you could just enjoy your weekend. I actually filmed this on a Friday all day, and it really worked out for me because on Saturday I really didn't have a lot to clean. We kept up on our stuff, kept up on dishes, kept up on picking up and everything for the weekend, so I had more time to just do me for the weekend or spend time with the kids. We did game night on Saturday and that felt really good. So yeah, I just tried to bust everything out on Friday so that I have more time during the week. But if I know for a fact if I make these spaces a priority every morning, just a little bit, like 5 minutes of space, 10 minutes of space, then I can, while the kids are at school, then I can function better throughout the rest of the day and I am less stressed out.
It's for the best. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? Are you missing it just like I do? guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? 'Cause I don't know. Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh?
So I am going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you enjoyed today's cleaning motivation. If you are new and this is your first video, then I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to like and comment down below if you liked it, and say hey in the comments so that, you know, I can say hey back. I like to talk with you guys. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Every time when you're with me, you want me to stay just because you need me. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I just wanna